Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. If you've ever felt that nagging ache in your wrist after a long day on the computer, you're not alone. Repetitive strain injury, or RSI, affects about 1 in every 5 computer users. For decades, we've tried to solve this with ergonomic mice, but they all share one big problem. They still require you to physically move your hand. But what if we could eliminate most of that movement? This paper introduces a fascinating new idea, an AI-assisted system that can predict what you want to click, drastically reducing physical motion. They call it the Preview Accept Discard Paradigm, or PAD for short. Here's how it works in their email client test. Instead of moving a mouse, a user holds down a combination of 2 keys. Instantly, a curved line appears on screen, pointing from the cursor to the AI's best guess of what you want to click, like the reply button. If the guess is right, you just release both keys at the same time to accept and perform the click. If it's wrong, you can press the spacebar while still holding the keys to cycle to the next best guess. And to cancel or discard the action, you simply release the keys one after the other instead of at the same time. It's a clever system that replaces precise physical pointing with simple key timing. So, does this actually help reduce the strain? The researchers had volunteers test the system against a normal trackpad, and the results are pretty dramatic. Take a look at this chart. The AI Predict group had literally 0 physical clicks and a tiny fraction of the trackpad strokes. Most importantly, the distance the user's hand had to travel was massively reduced. The study found that pads saved about 600 pixels of pointer travel for every single click in their test. Okay, so it saves motion, but does it slow you down? This is where it gets interesting. This chart shows that when the AI's prediction is highly accurate, similar to a good spell checker, the pad system is just as fast as a traditional trackpad. However, if the AI makes poor predictions and the user has to cycle through options, it does become slower. This means its effectiveness really depends on the quality of the AI's predictions. So, let's recap the important points and what this means for the future. This new system turns clicking from a physical movement problem into a mental decision problem. It significantly cuts down on the hand motion that can lead to RSI, and it does so without really slowing the user down, provided the AI is accurate. The potential for this technology goes way beyond just ergonomics. Think about how this could improve accessibility for people with tremors, limited dexterity, or chronic pain, who are often underserved by traditional devices. It could also promote sustainability by extending the life of old laptops where the trackpad has failed, reducing electronic waste. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the best solution isn't a better piece of hardware, but a smarter piece of software.